Name of the activity?
Face.
Making. Dog face making. What we need?
Squares. Shape paper.
Cut the paper like
Cut paper.
dog tank.
Dog. Tank.
What is this?
Baka cut. Gum.
Very good. Take a square sheet paper. First, fold the paper like this, okay, to make big triangle, okay?
Triangle.
Very good. Press it, press it. Wait. Press it. Very good. Press it like this. Press it. Again fold the paper like this to make small triangle. Wait. Fold like this. Fold like this, okay? Press it like this. Very good. Press it this side also. Press it like this. Now fold the paper from the center line like this. Fold to make dog ear. Okay.
Yes.
Do the same on the other side. Do the same. Press it. Okay, very good. Now fold the top corner like this, okay? Press it. Okay. Okay. Now fold the bottom corner like this, okay? Fold it and press it. Okay. And separate the papers, okay? Okay. Take a black color sketch. Now we draw the eyes and nose of the dog, okay?
Yeah.
Eyes. Next, nose of the dog, okay? Nose. Now paste the tongue, okay? Wait. Paste it. Very good. Okay. Now the dog face is ready.
Ready.
Say thank you, ma'am.
Thank